Alright everybody, I just want to take a really quick video here, and it's Wednesday night. I'm just driving to the airport now, and just really wanted to say to Mariko Atomi especially, Amy as well of course, and the rest of the team, just really appreciate your help in letting me go to Canada like this. And for the students as well, just keep trying your best. I'll make sure to take lots of pictures and videos when I'm over there as much as possible, so that you can keep inspired about, especially this week's theme, which is about bays, inlets, coves, and the type of ocean and plant life that we can see. It's pretty interesting. And to the parents as well, especially as well, just thank you very much for helping and your understanding. And just, my life is very much the school. I love it more than anything. I have my own kids, but it's let's keep a connection between Canada and Japan with this experience. So I'll see you again soon. Keep watching this video. I'm sure I'll get some more interesting clips along the way. And okay, see you guys. Bye. So weird to be driving in Vancouver right now, and so many Teslas. Oh, you're off to the ferry terminal. See you guys. Well, here we are guys, going on to the ferry. So this is the 5 o'clock ferry. It's docked inside of Swartz Bay. This is not Swartz Bay, on the other side. And so here we go. We're loading up on the ferry now. And here we go, you guys. This is a car ferry. Whoa, look at all the cars in here, you guys. It's pretty cool, right? Wow, cars, and look at the view we get too when we stop the car. Isn't that neat? We stop right about here. Oh wow, check that out. Look at that view that we, you guys, how neat is that? So here, this is going on the ferry from Vancouver over to Victoria right now. It's 5 o'clock, we made the ferry, so that's really good. And here we go, really nice sunny day. And you can see the water is a little bit lighter here. And it's lighter, you guys know, it's lighter because it's more shallow here. So the sun is able to reach the bottom and reflect to make it lighter. It's pretty neat. Very, very busy bay over here. But the busier bay is Swartz Bay on the other side, which I'll show you those pictures and videos when we get there. Okay, see you guys.
Right? Cold there, red.
You know, Hunter, that's a very good question.
Hunter, listen.
It's always 33 degrees, but over here right now, 16.
Ooh, super cold.
Wow, that's nice.
Listen to the wind.
Here it goes. You can go hear it on the camera. No, we can't.
No.
Yeah, you're flying around. No, not really.
There. You hear that? It's so windy.
Very cold out here, guys. Holy cow. We have to turn around here because the cars are facing this way. So we have to turn around so you'll get a better view. But for the meantime, you can see how busy the bay is. So there's the ferries over there. That's where we're going, just over there. Lots of boats, like lots of small boats, lots of big boats. Some boats over here too. So this whole boats over here, people doing kayaking, canoeing. Yeah, the water is shallow around here, so it's perfect for seagulls to be able to see. It's perfect for seagulls to be able to see their food more easily, and also lets them rest on the land when they want to take a break from hunting. But that's why you see seagulls around land and around bays. Oh, there's a boat on our way. I can see it. Can you see that boat right there? Oh, it's on a kayak. I'm not sure about being on a kayak, you guys. Wow. Amazing just being in Tokyo 20 hours ago and then now being here and seeing this again. It's just gorgeous. Okay, more from Swartz way later.